Hi everyone, today I would like to record, this is the second month of my trading journey with crypto after I get back since 2018. I like to record my trading mistakes that I've made this April alone. For example, OGN. I've already made some profit here and then sold it too soon here. I don't know why, it's just out of nowhere. So basically, I saw that the RSI was pretty high and then I was panicked. I bought it at $2.04 and sell it at $2.14. I gained a little bit of a profit, like $89 profit, but that's not what my plan is. Second mistake was I bought it here today where it's clearly showing that the MACD is at the peak and it's about to cross over below the signal, and the RSI was still in the middle. I think it's about to go down more before, I think it's about to go bearish more with OGN, but it's okay. This is a very good project. I'm happy to, I'm prepared to take probably 30% 30% decrease, and then I'm sure it will bounce back. But this is the mistake I should never make again, because when the setup is not perfect, I should not jump. That is my rule. And I jumped anyway. Look at this. This is still high. This is still medium. It takes a bit more. Because after this big jump like this, it takes to pull back a bit more. The same thing with CTSI. I bought it here when the MACD is very, very high and it's about to cross over below it. And the RSI is still pretty high as well. So now the fact that it's bearish and I look at it like this, and there is still some double bottom here, and it feels like it's going to bounce back from here, which is good. It's very strong move because overall trend, it's still very bullish. See that overall trend that way? I'll make it thicker a bit. See, that overall trend is still very bullish after all, so I'm happy with this drop because I'm targeting for about maybe close to $1, maybe 94, 96 cents. But for a longer term, it will definitely can reach $1. CTSI has 30% circulation, market capital 166 million, and it's currently ranked to 276 in the CoinGecko list. It is a token and infrastructure. It has a good project, so I don't mind. KAVA, on the other hand, again, this MACD seems promising, but the RSI not low enough, so I FOMO and I bought it there. But see that it makes a double bottom on the 50 Fibonacci and it's going to go back, so I'm not worried. The overall is very bullish, even though there is a deviation here. In crypto, you must get used to this kind of deviation. It'll bounce back, and it's probably people buying the dip here right now. ANKR, I bought it here when MACD is pretty low and RSI is in the middle, but when RSI is really at the bottom, MACD is at the bottom, this is where people buy at the dip, but I will learn from my mistake from now. AVAX is, I bought it when RSI is in the middle, MACD is pretty in the middle, but it's not much movement on AVAX. And it has a solid project anyway. It has its own ecosystem and it's red coin. Next engine is currently where it's the dip are, and it's been still pretty bullish. See that this support, it doesn't go below there and it's starting to bounce back. So yeah, that's it for now.